It's not that I don't believe you, but I don't believe
you weren't here. The four officers that were here this morning didn't believe me, and I called in and told them that they just take his side because I'm the one crying, and he's calm. They never believed me.
Hey, bro, why don't you just walk away?
I can't, man.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
Stop.
Just leave me
Drive
alone!
over all of my food.
Then move them!
I'm waiting for the cops to get here.
Yeah,
Calm, right?
yeah, sweet. Hey,
She's biting me.
yeah, I got it.
Give me my car key!
What began as an argument over a water heater would escalate into a violent confrontation involving a hammer, multiple 911 calls, and assault charges carrying a potential 15-year prison sentence. When officers arrived at this Florida residence, they encountered a complex domestic violence situation that would test their ability to determine the primary aggressor while navigating conflicting accounts, visible injuries, and a victim who initially refused to cooperate with the investigation. The body camera footage reveals the challenges law enforcement faces when responding to domestic disputes where both parties claim to be victims.
Please pull him off of me, please!
He's not on you, sweetie.
He won't let go! He won't let go! Please help me!
He's doing that to protect you.
No, he's not! He's doing it to control me!
It looks to me like he's doing it to protect you.
Of course he does, because he's so f***ing charming! Off of me! Get off of me!
Are they close?
Get off of
Yeah,
me!
they must be.
Get
I
off of me!
I told him you were bleeding, so that usually picks it up.
And by the way, he punched me in the ribs just so you guys wouldn't know that he actually did it. I hate you. I f***ing hate Don't you ever come back to my house again. Ever. Ever.
Literally not how that works.
What's all this about?
Get the one inside.
What did she do? Or what did you do?
So we had some officers here last night.
Pardon?
We had some officers here last
I
night.
saw.
She was drinking.
Okay.
They asked me to leave.
Before we go any further, are there any weapons in the home?
I mean, there's knives, obviously.
Okay. Are there any guns?
Come here, Goose. Come here, boy. He's friendly to service. Come here.
No, he was fine. Hers is.
Yeah.
Alright, so what happened with the officers last night?
They told me to leave.
Do you need paramedics? I mean, they're down the street, right? They're literally right there.
It's fine. No. I was an Army Ranger medic. I'm good.
What about her?
No, see, unless she straps a finger on a tool,
well, you can see
she's throwing all this out.
Hi, doggy. Hi.
Like I said,
Hi. I smell like
leave.
sweat. I
I
know.
left, parked the car right there, slept in it all night.
You did? Okay, after the officers left?
After officers.
Okay.
I went to the gym and I came back here, parked the car.
Officers
slept all
arrived to
Okay.
find the male subject outside with visible injuries, while the female subject has retreated into the residence. Under established domestic violence response protocols, the first priority is separating the involved parties to prevent further violence and allow for independent interviews. Notice how the responding officer immediately asks about weapons in the home. This is standard officer safety protocol in domestic calls, which statistically represent some of the most dangerous situations for law enforcement.
This truck, this car? Okay.
He has no bearing on this whatsoever.
When I went by, I saw
Do
them.
you know this person?
No, I saw the struggle. And
Okay, hold on. I'm talking to him. Let me find out from him exactly what happened inside before we take it to what happened outside.
Well, she started her screaming and whatnot after I got home from work. She had been drinking. This is what happened. So I left. She continued to berate me with text messages like, piece of shit, this, that, and the third. She's mad that call her ex-boyfriend to figure out how the water machine was sprinkled. That's where this all started and stuff.
Okay, this was stemmed over last night?
Right.
Okay.
I slept there, over in the driveway at 6:30, fell back asleep in the car because I didn't want to go inside, waiting on her to come out. She was going to pick up breakers, the hostess, and I'm going to take her to her job, then go to mine, like I've been doing every day for the past
How long have y'all been together?
year or
Okay.
so, you know, well, one more year. But,
Okay.
she comes outside, starts screaming, and throws all my tools. As you see
They
here.
were in the car?
They were packed neatly in the
All this?
car. Every bit of it.
Jeez, okay.
And I believe you got that on camera, don't you? Yeah? Okay.
She hit you?
Hit me in the back of the head with a hammer, and that's where the blood's coming from.
Where's the hammer at?
The male subject explains that officers had already responded to the residence the previous night and asked him to leave. He states he slept in his vehicle and returned in the morning, leading to the current altercation. He alleges the female subject attacked him with a hammer, threw his tools from the vehicle, and bit him during their struggle. Under most states' domestic violence statutes, officers must make a primary aggressor determination when both parties allege abuse. This requires examining factors including the severity of injuries, the likelihood of future injury, defensive versus offensive injuries, and any history of domestic violence. Law enforcement officers are trained to identify the primary aggressor in domestic violence situations. This determination is critical because many states have mandatory arrest laws requiring officers to arrest the primary aggressor when probable cause exists for domestic battery. The primary aggressor is not necessarily the person who struck first, but rather the person who poses the most serious ongoing threat. Officers must consider the totality of circumstances, including the comparative extent of injuries, threats made, and whether one party acted in self-defense.
Over there.
The red and yellow one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 18.
Good thing it wasn't a, metal.
Can you start me over here, please?
I got a staple gun if I need a couple stitches. It's not a long.
18.
I can go
Jake.
to the end.
Hey, sir. You live here, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hang on.
Okay.
Because I want to see this guy's video before we go aggravate her. I'm going to have one more person come in case she decides to get all... All right, hello.
Hello.
I don't mean to cut you off. I just wanted to get the facts of what happened in there before.
All right, I don't know what happened before I got here, but I'm riding down the road and I see everything out here.
That catches her eye.
And they're in the back of the
Can you get this one?
Volkswagen. And
It's all strewn over here already?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And he's restraining her.
Okay.
And I didn't get a lot of good.
Did you see anything in her hands?
No, she did shit.
Okay. Was he was already bloodied up?
Yeah.
Okay.
He was already bleeding.
Hotel Victor X-ray Bravo
come
79.
out and cut all 4 tires.
Okay.
I've got probably 5 minutes.
Hold on one second. Jake, can you get to the back just in case she tries to go out that way since we got the front?
I probably got 5 minutes of video.
Ask him if there's any more dogs.
Probably got 5 minutes of video of
Okay.
her punching him and her kicking him. And
Do you mind hanging out for 1 second? I'm gonna actually get that video from you, but we're gonna pull it up on the
He
system.
was trying his best to remove. Like I said, I don't know what happened.
But that's what you rolled up on. Okay.
They could have been.
Did you call at all or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so you were one of those calling, one of the ones calling. Okay. What happened?
I have an 8 o'clock appointment.
Yeah, forward.
Wait for me to send this to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have her send you a link. When you click the link, you'll be able to upload it right into it. It's super easy. She'll just need your name, phone number, and date of birth. But just give me 1 second. I'm gonna get his information.
He's got a host of escalated breakers.
She just got it, or she been there a while?
Today was the first day.
So, first day. Are you also RO on the car? Are you registered owner of the car, or is it just her?
I am.
The officer's discovery of video evidence from the home's Ring camera system becomes pivotal in this investigation. Additionally, an independent witness, a landscaper, who stopped when he observed the altercation, provides crucial third-party testimony. In domestic violence, prosecutions, independent witnesses, and video evidence are particularly valuable because victims often recant or refuse to cooperate later. The doctrine of evidence-based prosecution allows cases to proceed even without victim cooperation when sufficient independent evidence exists.
We're both on the insurance.
I'm just trying to figure out, like, for the distance. I know you said it comes back.
On the insurance, but
Little adjacent house. Does she have access to that?
Is there a mother-in-law suite in the back? Does she have access to it?
Oh, yeah.
He's saying, yeah, 10-4. That's the mother-in-law suite. She does have access.
Yeah, that's usually where I go when she acts like this. So if you lock it up, she removes the lock before I go home from work.
So she took the locks so that you off, so that the mother-in-law suite's unlocked and open?
I'm also, she can get in whenever she does this.
No, you guys are just dating. Been together 1 year? Not married? Can you do me a favor? Can you text him the link so he can upload that video into Capture for me? Do you have your ID on you, boss? It's okay. It's okay. I just didn't know if you
may have taken off with the wallet.
Okay.
So,
No one else is in the home?
no, you're welcome.
You guys, well, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for other units to get here. Do you have any other dogs in the house?
Yes.
What other kind?
They all should be in their cages. To one dog and probably that's not friendly that much dog, but the other ones are fine.
So there's only one that might not be friendly?
Yeah, and she's always in her cage.
What's her name in case?
Harley.
Arlie, what kind of dog?
It's black mutt.
Black mutt?
Yeah.
Hey, if we have issues with one of the dogs that are being aggressive, it's Arlie. When we go in there.
And like I said,
She's inside. She ran in there when we got here, and then she opened the door, let the dog out, and slammed the door again. I didn't even try 10 to 5 yet, so we had more. The zero's the hammer there. Jake's in the back. Do you want to go with Jake in the back for now? Yeah. Sorry, I thought you asked where she was.
she just got put on Zoloft. There's like, this is a mental issue, like for sure.
How long has she been on the Zoloft?
Not long enough.
And obviously she's drinking, so it's amplifying
it's
it.
not even been a month.
What's not as well?
No.
No. She just got put on Zoloft. Oh.
Yeah.
I know night shift was out here last night for a 38, and they had 2 subjects that were running the call. Can you put their 14 in this call, please? Should be. I believe it's. What's your first name?
Oh yeah.
It dawned on me after I said it.
Yeah, you can have this too. Just
Yeah,
like,
get your information. Give me.
you
You have a phone, or is it inside?
My phone.
That's okay. Do you have a phone number?
My business phone right here.
Give me your business number.
My cell phone is on that card, but she took my cell phone yesterday.
That's a 639. So she give it back.
Yeah.
Was that in the incident last night?
Yes.
Should she take it to what, prevent you from?
She just took it.
Okay. It wasn't like you were trying to call 911 and she took it then.
No, I did call 911, and then after they got here, she snuck back in the house and took the rest of the stuff that I'd walked in with, tools and whatnot, and took off with her phone.
Okay.
What's the deal?
Him trying to restrain her.
Yeah, she was in the back of the car. Here, he had her pinned down. He had her pinned down. This morning? Yeah,
No,
just now before.
It continued.
I had nothing like before hurting her goes.
And from that moment when you rolled up, you've been here the whole time?
I've been here the whole time, but I didn't get video of all.
No, that's okay. But whatever you have left and came back, or it happened somewhere else. She's okay. I'll go talk to her down there in a minute. Is she the one like right by that fence where our cars are?
Yeah, the young lady.
I saw, okay, she was still there when we pulled up.
There's a lady right there. There's a lady that lives right here.
Do you have video cameras on your house besides, is that a doorbell camera or no?
I did yesterday until she took them all down. She even taped up the doorbell.
Maybe let's come over on this side of the car. I know you said there's only a BB gun in there, but in the event she decides to... Ash, you want to come over here?
It's not.
I just don't feel like having to do anything more to her than needs to be at this point because she wants to be stupid.
Well, it only usually escalates from here until I leave.
We're gonna, I got my sergeant coming here just because it's protocol, and then we're gonna get the dog out here, and hopefully just his presence alone will get her to chill the hell out, and then we're gonna take her out. No, the ones that are inside, I'm saying. We're getting a canine out here because of the severity of the allegations.
Well, that's the thing. I would much rather see her go to like.
No. So what did she get diagnosed with?
Like manic depressive, bipolar.
So unfortunately, because of the circumstances and that you guys are in a relationship, she is going to go to jail. But because you're telling me that she is taking Zoloft, she's been diagnosed, and she's probably going through a mental breakdown, there is a portion of the jail that deals with mental health. I can't not take her to jail at this point.
Can't take her to a hospital because
if they did, so they have. That's what I'm saying. They have a medical floor that.
I'm forced to go and like wander out of jail.
Oh well, you're not going to be able to bond her out because there's going to be a no contact order. She potentially, I get that you're a medic and that you've probably went through worse, but she potentially could have with that hammer. Okay. Obviously, what happens when we leave is out of my control, but being that we're here, your skull split. I've got people that witnessed it. She has to go today. If she somehow acts out, if something happens in there where we determine she does have to go to the hospital first, she'll go to the hospital, but eventually she's still going to end up in the jail.
Do you need him anymore?
Did you get the video? No, then he's good. Thank you. Everything you've told me up to this point is the truth.
Oh, yeah.
Can you just raise your right hand for me and tell me that you believe it's true?
No, I don't believe. I know.
Let you know it to be true. Obviously, we've got the video. I just have to swear you in.
I pulled in, like I said, fell asleep. She opened the door with all my tools in the back.
You said you pulled in at 6:30, passed out. How long before this gentleman in the truck rolled up was this going on for? Because obviously she had a good minute to dump all this stuff out.
Yeah, that was about it. Like as soon as he started stuff flying, he stopped.
Okay, so he obviously called. So like right before then is when this happened. So she came out, found you in the car, and then just went ballistic.
Well, she went back in for a minute, and he came out and told me to get out of the car. Now for the last
however many times, days,
8 months or so, we've been doing this. You know, she hasn't been going to work. I've been going to work.
Okay.
I've been going to work in her car. I've got a client that I'm supposed to be at right now. I'm probably going to lose over this.
Okay.
And it's an all-day ordeal.
Yeah, Jake and Katie are over there. I don't know. Okay, and I'm done. He's a former military, but he says he doesn't have any zeros in the gun. Just zeros in the house, just a BB gun. But she did slash all 4 of those tires with a knife. A knife is out here. The hammer's out here that she used to bash the back of his skull with. So that's his dog. There's a couple more dogs inside.
Okay.
Only one's probably not friendly, and I already forgot her name. The little black mutt, Arlie, in case, but she should be in a cage.
Okay.
There's a mother-in-law suite in the back, Jake and Katie said she does have access to, but she removed all the locks. All the cameras she broke yesterday after their 38, so there shouldn't be any 59 on that part, but...
She's going to go in with the stick team, with the canine, just so she can get that exposed.
She was out here initially when we got here, but as I walked up to talk to him, she just went inside. She didn't like run or anything, but she was already irate and drunk. She went inside and she's been drinking all night with her Zoloft.
Okay.
She ran inside, then she opened the door back up, kicked the dog out, said, "Here's your damn dog," and slammed the door again. So we haven't even attempted contact with her yet, but she's likely still drunk.
Not aggressive, it can come out. My dog's not aggressive. There's a shot forward.
Whose hands?
Alright, well, on him. I'm
on him.
Behind you. Alright.
You got lethal?
Yep. There's an island right there, can't see past it.
Got the 270s on the left. Yep.
You want to go before me or after?
There's a shot forward.
Open door.
Open door on the left.
Not the 40 to the left.
What's the 70s? There's a trap office coming out.
Yeah.
Alright, let's clear this room. I'll hold the shield. Hold the shield. I'm gonna go with you into the room. Yep.
female subject initially exercises her Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, closing the door on officers. This is her constitutional right, and officers cannot compel her to make statements. However, her decision not to provide her version of events at this critical juncture may impact the officer's primary aggressor determination. When she later emerges, she makes counter-allegations of abuse, claiming the male subject pushed her and injured her knee. She also states this is her house and expresses frustration about her lack of legal options to remove him, highlighting the complex property and cohabitation issues that often complicate domestic violence situations. Based on the totality of evidence, including the male subject's visible injuries, video footage, independent witness testimony, and the female subject's initial refusal to cooperate, officers determine probable cause exists to arrest her for aggravated domestic battery with a deadly weapon. The deadly weapon enhancement stems from her alleged use of a hammer during the assault. In many jurisdictions, any object used in a manner likely to cause death or great bodily harm can be classified as a deadly weapon, significantly increasing the severity of charges and potential penalties.
You need paramedics? I know you're bleeding. You start getting this.
Are these paint?
We'll get it. I know, we will. What happened to your knee?
I don't know if it's broken or dislocated.
What happened though?
I don't know. He's been attacking me all morning.
No, he hasn't, honey.
You haven't seen it.
No, we did. There was a witness that recorded it.
You don't see what happens inside.
That's it. Well, I would like to, but you took all the video cameras yesterday.
Give us an opportunity to talk to you this morning either. Decided to take it back.
Can you turn that way a little bit so I can check these for you? Lean that way towards like that side of the room.
I can't defend myself. He's stronger than me.
We're gonna have the medics come check on me, okay?
Feeling my ribs in the back of my head. I'm all bruised up. He hit me. He always hits me.
Then why do you keep coming back?
Why didn't you talk to us today?
Stupid question, because you don't believe me.
It's not that I don't believe you, but I'm gonna believe
Not
you.
you weren't here. The four
I know
officers
that.
that were here this morning didn't believe me, and I called in and told them that they just take his side because I'm the one crying, and he's calm. They never believed me. I slashed him. It's my car, and he wouldn't give me my keys. And so I slashed him so he couldn't take it.
No tires are like $200.
I know.
You know he was trying to take you to your job?
No, he wasn't.
Why not?
In your business.
Well, maybe you were a little too intoxicated to go to
I
work.
wasn't intoxicated. It was 7 in the morning. I had orientation at the Breakers. He's lying. He said I was
Did you
drunk.
forget we were here?
Yes.
You walked into the house when I got here this morning.
Yeah,
and then
I know.
you ran out the back.
And I was not intoxicated at all.
He said, after you to me.
Your job says differently.
What job?
Flagler Steakhouse.
Flagler's Steakhouse didn't even see me this morning.
They said you showed up with blood all over your face.
Because he beat me this morning.
You just told me Flagler didn't see you, but now suddenly they did?
The Breakers, not the Flagler. I went to orientation at the Breakers this morning and they sent me home because I have blood on my face and I can barely walk.
That makes sense.
You remember when
He took my car all night and never came home because he was out doing all night. And then when he came home, I wanted my car keys so I can drive to my job myself, and he wouldn't let me.
Remember closing the door on me this morning? I knocked on the door and said, hey,
Yes,
step out so we
officer.
can talk to you.
Yes,
You said,
officer,
F
and I
you?
didn't want to talk to
And
you.
you said F you?
I didn't say F you. I said no. I don't
No,
want
you
to
said
talk
F
to you.
10-9?
Have you looked at his criminal record? He has a murder charge.
Okay.
He's
but you do
violent.
realize that that murder charge has absolutely nothing to do with this call.
I'm just saying,
What's your record?
nothing like this.
They don't judge people.
I
based
never
We
off
don't
kill
judge
their
people
record.
by their records, but if you want to bring up records, neither one of you are clean.
Okay.
We don't judge people based off records. We judge them based off the moment. We judge them based off of their behaviors in front of us.
Right, because I'm hysterical and crying because I just got beat and he's calm and cool and collected.
No, I'm judging based off the fact that when you were here earlier, you had the opportunity to speak to us.
I didn't want to
You told-
talk to you.
You told me
I have a
that
right not to talk to you. I was crying.
You do. You're absolutely right.
I was crying and I shut the door and I didn't want to see you. And I don't want to see him because I'm scared of him.
Why did you come back here then?
It's my house. It's
So you
my
think
house.
you thought he wasn't going to be here? You just said
Yeah.
you didn't want to see him.
My parents were coming here. They were telling him to leave and he refuses to leave.
So you guys live together, so at this point, unfortunately, it's both your guys' house.
Exactly, I know, I'm but it's my house. He doesn't own anything. It's my car and my house. And I fell in love with him a year ago. And he's been living here ever since. So I know there's nothing I can do. So you can imagine how frustrated and upset I am. I'm powerless. He's stronger than
You
me.
could have him evicted.
I'm going to. I'm going to. But there's nothing I can do about it right now, can I?
In this moment.
I know.
She's claiming
She thinks her knee might be broken.
knee.
Maybe. She doesn't know how, though.
Are you able to move it?
I can move it this way.
Okay.
But I can't.
It just hurts.
No.
Are you able to put weight on it?
No.
We had to help her.
Oh.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
I don't have any money. I can't afford an ambulance ride.
So what would you like for us to do?
I don't know. You guys are the ones that are here.
Well, the only thing we can do is we'll check you out, and then we can either get a rescue come in or not.
Well, actually, you know what? She's got to go because you guys are out here and she's going to jail and they're going to make me get her medical cleared anyway, so she needs to be transported.
Okay.
So sorry, I put two together as soon as you said that.
What are my charges?
Aggravated domestic battery with a deadly weapon.
How do you have proof of that?
The nice little witness that stopped when you were...
The female subject's reaction to her impending arrest demonstrates a common misunderstanding about domestic violence law. She believes that because she was also allegedly assaulted, both parties should be arrested, or neither should be. However, the law requires officers to identify the primary aggressor, not arrest everyone involved in a domestic altercation. Her attempt to press countercharges at this moment cannot prevent her arrest if probable cause exists. She can pursue charges against the male subject through the prosecutor's office after her release, though such cross-complaints face heightened scrutiny. Before transport to jail, the female subject requires medical clearance due to her claimed knee injury. This is standard protocol to ensure arrestees receive necessary medical attention and to protect the agency from liability. The heated exchange between the female subject and officers illustrates the emotional intensity common in domestic violence arrests. While her frustration is understandable, her hostile communication style and profanity directed at officers, while not illegal, does not help her situation and will likely be documented in their reports.
What witness?
Some landscaper.
Some landscaper? You're going up a landscaper? And what
I'm
was
going off of the video
What
I
was-
saw.
what
I said
happened
before,
in the video?
your past,
What
your
happened
demeanor,
in the video?
your attitude.
What happened in the video?
I will talk to you when they're done.
What did you
ask
see?
your charges.
What deadly weapon? I do have a deadly weapon. His fist is a deadly weapon.
No, because I wanted them to finish.
Okay.
His
don't want them to
fist
say
is
that.
a deadly fucking weapon. He overpowers me and pushes me down. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Let him hit me?
So,
And he's
you're
not
leading
getting
from
arrested for this. Look at my knee. He pushed me. And there's
So-
nothing I can do about it just because it's not a recording.
That happened this morning.
Yes, it did.
So like my partner said multiple times, you ran off and you failed to talk to us.
So what?
how am I
I don't
supposed to
have
believe-
to talk to you.
So you want to do something about it. How do you expect to do something if you don't want to talk?
I didn't want
can't
to
read
press
your mind,
charges.
right?
He's pressing charges.
You only want to say something because you're going to jail.
Of
Yes or
course
no?
I do.
Exactly.
Of course I do. I don't want to send him to jail.
The same stuff that she
You idiot. God. Stop talking to me like I'm a piece of shit. I literally just got abused by my boyfriend. And you're talking to me like I'm garbage.
I know.
You.
Jake.
Check the back of my head. Check my ribs. He beat the out of me just now.
EMS comes out. I gotta get him. They're not gonna let her go anywhere.
Go arrest him. I'm pressing charges on him now.
That's not how that works.
Well, how does it
You
work?
just told me to shut the f up and not talk to you, but now
I'm
you
not
want
talking
to
to you.
press charges.
I'm talking to her.
That's
How
not
do
how
I
that
press
works.
charges?
That's not how that works.
Tell you the same answer she's gonna say.
How do I press charges
That's not how
on
that
him?
works.
You're going to jail.
That's fine. When can I press charges on him?
You can take it up with your defense attorney when you get out.
When I get out?
Yep.
Okay. That's all you had to say.
You told me not to talk to you.
You. You told me not to talk to you. You're not here for my help. You're here just to f***ing look down on me.
We're here to arrest you. That's what we're here for.
I'll get the number.
You.
I'll see you in 20 minutes anyways.
I can't.
When I'm done the arrest paperwork, go ahead and get it. To go to the hospital with you, so you can tell me that all you want there.
The charge of aggravated domestic battery with a deadly weapon is a serious felony. If convicted, she faces up to 15 years in prison and thousands of dollars in fines. The case will proceed through the criminal justice system, beginning with an initial appearance where bail will be set, followed by arraignment, potential plea negotiations, and possibly trial. The prosecution will rely heavily on the physical evidence, video footage, and witness testimony gathered at the scene. The defendant's initial refusal to cooperate and subsequent hostile behavior may also factor into prosecutorial decisions and potential plea offers. Time now for our grades. The male subject receives a B+ for his handling of this situation. He remained relatively calm during the altercation, called 911 for help, and cooperated fully with the investigation. Points were deducted for returning to the residence after being asked to leave the night before, potentially escalating an already volatile situation. The female subject receives a D grade. While she may have had legitimate grievances, her alleged use of a weapon, initial refusal to cooperate with police, and hostile behavior significantly worsened her legal position. The responding officers earn a B grade. They properly separated the parties, gathered evidence, and made an arrest based on probable cause, though their communication with the female subject could have been more professional and de-escalating despite her hostility. This case illustrates the complex dynamics of domestic violence situations and the challenges law enforcement faces in determining the primary aggressor. It also demonstrates how quickly a domestic dispute can escalate to serious felony charges with life-altering consequences. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for even more police interaction content.